Good afternoon, everybody. As we have seen the theory about the isomerism in coordination complexes, let us see some MCQs on the isomerism in coordination complexes. The first example: which one of the following compounds will exhibit the linkage isomerism? We have seen the theory about the linkage isomerism. The ambidentate ligand shows the linkage isomerism, as we know that ambidentate ligand shows linkage isomerism. Ambidentate ligand means what? The ligand having the more than one type of the donor atom. Ligand contain more than one type of donor atom in unidentate ligand. For example, NO2 SCN. Now, NO2 is an ambidentate ligand which can bound in one complex through the nitrogen as NO2, while in another complex it can be bound as ONO, means linkage may be through the oxygen or maybe through the nitrogen. So they can show the isomer. In one complex they may get bonded to the metal through the nitrogen, and in another complex they get bonded to the metal through oxygen. Same here, in one complex this thiocyanate get bonded to the metal by sulfur and in another by nitrogen. So this ambidentate ligand shows the linkage isomerism. Now in option first there is no ambidentate ligand. In second option there is a presence of NO2, that is ambidentate ligand. In third option there is no any coordinated or ligand, ambidentate ligand, and in last option there is also no any ambidentate ligand. These nitro and these also are the counter ion and they are not the coordinately bounded to the metal, remember. So the option second is correct. This compound will exhibit the linkage isomerism in which one complex having the coordinate bond through the nitrogen and in second complex the coordinate bond through the oxygen. See the second example. Which one of the following has an optically active isomer? So EN means ethylene diamine. So optically active isomer. For optically active isomer there should not be a plane of symmetry or axis of symmetry. For optically active isomer, symmetry, there must be the asymmetric molecule, means absence of symmetry. Either plane of symmetry or axis of symmetry should not be there, and then that molecule will be the optically active. Now see the first compound in which ethylene and say in first compound in A, the coordination number of zinc is 4 here, and it is a square planar geometry it has, and if we draw the structure of this compound, then it look like the zinc. It is bounded to the ethylene here, and to ammonia NH3. So there is a plane of symmetry, and that's why optically inactive. So this first option is not correct. It is optically inactive. If we see the second option, and if we draw the structure for this second one, the coordination number for the copper in the second compound is 6 here, because En is a bidentate ligand, and that's why the coordination number is 6 here. It will be the octahedral. If we draw the structure of it, then we will have the geometry like this, octahedral geometry, and we can show like this, En. If we take the mirror image of it, then shows like this. Ethylene diamine. So this not shows the geometrical isomerism, because this ligand is an symmetric ligand, but it shows optically active, or the optical active isomer. It shows optical activity, and that's why it is optically active, because these mirror images are the non-superimposable mirror images, because presence of non-superimposable mirror images, and that's why it shows the optically active, and hence the second option is an correct option. If we talk about the third option, that is, it is like metal A4B2, and such a compound is optically inactive. And if we talk about the D option, then D option is like Ma4, it like the Ma4, and that's why it is also optically inactive. So second option is correct here. Now see the next example. Which complex cannot ionize in solution? If you see the first one, A, the platinum hexaamine here, Cl4. If we dissolve it in a solvent, then it gets ionized as complex ion hexaamine platinum, likewise plus 4 Cl minus. If you see the second, it gets ionized as platinum F6 here. If we dissolve it in a solvent, get the anion like 2 potassium plus platinum F6, platinum F6, 2 minus. The third example, K4 FeCN6 is potassium hexacyanoferrate. If we dissolve it in a solvent, then it will ionize to give 4 4 will ionize to give 4 potassium ion plus FeCN6 4 minus. To see the last option D, cobalt Cl3 NH3 thrice square bracket complete. If we dissolve it in the solvent, then no ionization. No ionization because there is a no counter ion. So the option D, this complex cannot ionize in solution. So option D will be the correct option because there is a no counter ion and this is a neutral complex. Neutral complex we can call it as. See the next example. Example 4th. Which of the following square planar complex ions can have cis trans isomers? Cis trans isomer means which complex shows the geometrical isomerism. Cis trans isomers means geometrical isomers. Now as we know that the square planar complexes, all if we see these are the type of the square planar. If we see the coordination number of all metal here is 4. So and they exhibit the coordination number 4 and they exhibit the square planar geometry. So see, as we know, square planar complexes of type if all 4 ligands are same and if the metal is bounded to the same 3 ligand and only one ligand is different, and MAB3 same case. Such a type of the complexes will not show the geometrical, that is cis trans isomerism, will not show cis trans isomerism. So if we talk about the options, see the first option is like the metal is bounded to the all similar ligand, that is MA4. So it is not exist the cis trans isomerism. If we see the second option, then it looks like the again same kind of the ligand is bounded to this and it does not exist the cis trans isomerism. If we see the third option, then it is a kind of MA2B2 and such a complex exists the cis trans isomerism. We can draw the structure also, and if we talk about the last complex ion, then it shows the MAB3. So it is also not showing the cis trans isomerism. If we talk about the C option, that is platinum NH3 twice Cl2, then can draw the geometry cis and trans. It's a platinum bounded to the 4 ligand to ammonia and to chloride. If these two similar groups are at the same side of the metal, then we can call it as a cis geometry. While in another case, if these similar ligand, that is ammonia group, are opposite to each other, opposite side of the metal, then such a geometry we can call it as a trans. So the option C or the complex C exhibits the cis trans isomerism, and hence option C is correct here. Let us see the next example. A complex with the composition Ma2B2 square bracket complete. X2 is found to have no geometrical isomers, but A and B are monodentate ligands. The structure of the complex is if we see the number of ligand bounded to the metal, if they are the monodentate ligand, then coordination number of metal is M A2 B2 X2. Now A and B are the monodentate ligand, hence the coordination number of metal in this complex is 4. So if the coordination number is 4, then either tetrahedral geometry or the square planar geometry then have no geometrical isomerism if the compound or the complex having the metal ion bonded to the type of A2 B2, and if the square planar geometry having the metal of A2 B2, then they shows the cis-trans isomerism. But the present compound does not show the cis-trans isomerism, hence the geometry will be the tetrahedral geometry, and hence the option C is an correct option. Now see the next example. Which of the following pairs of the coordination compounds or complex ions are examples of linkage isomerism? As we know that the ambidentate ligand shows the linkage isomerism. Ambidentate ligand shows linkage isomerism. Now see in the option, in first complex pair there is a no presence of ambidentate ligand, so the first compound or the pair of complexes does not shows the linkage isomerism. If we talk about the second option, then in second option also there is a no ambidentate ligand, and that's why the no linkage isomerism is possible. Third option, there is a presence of the nitro group, NO2 group, and here in one complex, if we draw the structure for the third option, then Fe is bounded to the 6 ligand, in which in one complex the linkage is through the nitrogen, while in another complex the linkage Fe it is bounded to the NO2 through the oxygen, and hence these isomers are called as the linkage isomerism. And if we talk about the fourth option, here is a no presence of the ambidentate ligand, and that's why the no linkage isomerism is possible here. Now see the next example, 7. Which of the following compounds can exhibit the cis-trans isomerism? Cis-trans isomerism. If we see the first and second compound, that is A and B, the coordination number is 6 here. So these are the octahedral complexes. A and B are the octahedral complexes. Now in case of the octahedral complexes, we know that the complexes of type Ma6 means all the monodentate ligands are similar, then the type Ma5B and MaB5 does not show the cis-trans isomerism. Does not shows geometrical or the cis-trans isomerism. And if we talk about the A and B, then these both are of the type Ma5B. So these two compounds does not exhibit the cis-trans isomerism. If we talk about the C, then option C and A, option C and D, not A, option C and D are the square planar complexes. Square planar complexes, as the coordination number is equals to 4, and the square planar complexes of the type Ma4 and Ma3B and MaB3 does not show the cis-trans isomerism. Does not show cis-trans isomerism. So in case of the C is the type of MaB3. So it will not going to show the cis-trans isomerism. But in case of the option D, it is the type of Ma2 and B2, and Ma2 B2 type complexes shows the cis-trans isomerism, and that's why the option D will be the correct option. Now see the next example. Which of the following compounds can exhibit the face-mer isomerism? Face-mer isomerism means facial and meridional isomerism. Facial means the cis and meridional means the trans isomerism. So these all examples are the octahedral complexes, as the coordination number is equals to 6, and that's why they are the octahedral complexes. Now as we know that the octahedral complexes of type Ma6, then Ma5B and MaB5, it does not shows the geometrical isomerism. Does not shows geometrical isomerism. And the first is the type of Ma5B. Ma5B, so it will not going to shows the geometrical isomerism. It is not showing the geometrical isomerism. If we talk about the B, option B, then option B is the type of cobalt H2O3 CO3 3+. This is the type of complex Ma3B3, and Ma3B3 shows the facial and meridional isomerism. If we draw the structure for the same, then cobalt here, if the similar group are at the same one side, that is H2O, H2O and carbonyl COCO. Then the second isomer we can draw likewise here H2O, H2O and H2O here, and another CO, CO and CO. If you draw the octahedral geometry, likewise similarly in the second if we complete the geometry, octahedral geometry, likewise as we know the first compound, all these are the octahedral because the coordination number is 6 here. In first case it is a type of Ma5B type, and as we know that the complex of type Ma6, Ma5B and MAB5 does not show the geometrical isomerism. This type of the complexes does not show geometrical isomerism. So in second case, second complex is a type of Ma3B3. If we see the second option, B option, it is CO, H2O thrice and carbonyl thrice 3+. If we try to draw the geometry of this complex, it shows the two geometrical isomerism, cis and trans, central cobalt, H2O, H2O, H2O. These similar groups are nearer to each other and they give the cis geometry. Likewise, if we complete the octahedral geometry, then we will get the geometry like this. If we draw the second isomer, cobalt is at the center and H2O, H2O, and one H2O is at the down, one carbonyl is take the place of H2O, and likewise. If we complete the geometry of the same, this forms the octahedral geometry. Now they are the isomer. One is the cis while other is a trans isomer. So these isomer in which all the three H2O and CO groups occupy the possible cis position, that is H2O molecules are on one triangular face. If we see the triangular face, this is a triangle. These all three H2O are on the one triangular face. This is one triangular face, and all CO are on the opposite triangular face. If you see, this is an opposite triangular face. I am going to dark it by the green color. This is another triangular face. This isomer is called as a cis. This isomer is called as a cis, or it is also called as the facial isomer. In short, it is written as a FAC, face, or it is also called as a 1,2,3 isomer. 1,2,3 isomer. And see the next, we have drawn the next isomer in which the trans or the peripheral, it is trans or peripheral. If we draw the triangular face, then it is like this. This is the one triangle, and see the another triangle at the corner of which the CO is there. Likewise, so this isomer is called as a trans isomer, or it is also called as a peripheral isomer, or it is also called as a meridional isomer. In short, we can write it as a MER, mer, or even it is called as a 1,2,6 isomer. 1,2,6 isomer has a 3 H2O group around and edges of the octahedron, with the 3 carbonyl group on the edges opposite and the perpendicular to the edges of the 3 water molecules. And this is then trans geometry, or we call it as a meridional also. And this type of the isomerism is possible in case of the complex of type Ma3B3. So option B will be the correct option. Option B gives the face-mer isomerism. While option C, if we see the option C, then it is again a type of Na5B, and that's why it does not show the geometrical isomerism. And third, if we see the third type, then third type is like the Ma2B4. It shows the geometrical isomerism, but cis-trans isomerism, and not the face-mer isomerism. So option B is an correct option. See the next question: which of the following compound can exhibit face-mer isomerism? Similar question which we have seen recently, and option C will be the correct option because it is a type of Ma3B3 type, and Ma3B3 type isomer shows the face-mer isomerism. So see the next MCQ: which one of the following complexes can exhibit the geometrical isomerism? Now see the geometry is also given. First option, if we see the platinum NH3 twice Cl2, it is a square planar complex, and it shows the cis and trans isomerism. Yes, we know. If you see the second, then second is also the case which shows the geometrical isomerism, and third cannot exhibit the geometrical isomerism as all the 4 groups are same. Third is an octahedral, and which cannot exhibit the geometrical isomerism because the type Ma5B does not shows the any geometrical isomerism. As we change the place of the ligand, all the places are equivalent to with respect to that ligand, and that's right. So first and second will exhibit the geometrical isomerism cis and trans. We can draw the geometry for the first platinum, NH3, NH3, Cl, Cl. This will be the cis, and if we change the position, Cl, Cl, they are trans to each other, NH3, NH3. This will be the trans. Similarly, we can draw the structure for the option B. Now, the cis and trans isomers are possible for option A and B. So, option A and B will be the correct option. So, these are the sample MCQs on the isomerism in coordination complexes. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon. So, whenever I add the new video, you will get the notification. Thank you.